Hello and welcome to another Total Touch point of sale video. Today we're going to be going over the setup of credit card processing. The first thing we want to do is go into Setup, System Options, System. We want to enable credit card processing if it's not already enabled. And if you want to have tabs linked to credit cards, we want to enable Credit Card Tab Bar. And if you want to do tokenized pre-authorization transactions to create tabs, you'll want to enable pre-authorization. It's going to give you a warning about tokenization and how it works. And the amount here should be your average ticket size. So if you're a bar that's averaging $25 per ticket, you want your amount to be $25 here. This is the amount that the credit card is going to be authorized for. And what happens is when we open the tab with the card, it's going to authorize for the amount that's here. So put 25. What's going to happen when you open a tab with the card is it's going to authorize the card for $25, and then it will immediately reverse that $25 transaction. Depending on the customer's bank, it should go instantly back to them. And then once you close out the check, it's going to close out for the total amount of the check. Whether it's above or below $25 doesn't matter. So just to ensure that you're getting the money, you want to make sure that the pre-authorization is about how much a check is going to be. So now that we've enabled credit card processing on the system, we want to go into credit card interface setup. And for this demonstration, we're going to be using NetEpay EMV. And we want to go over to NetEpay EMV. So your DNS name or URL is going to be the name or IP address of the computer that the credit card module is on, or that the DataCap software is on. In best practice, we prefer to put here the name of the back office computer. To find the name of your back office computer, you'll search in Windows for PC name. PC name. View your PC name. And your device name is your PC name. So we want to put TTBOH as the DNS name or URL. Now merchant ID you'll get from your NetEpay program. And once we get the NetEpay installed, I'll show you where you can find that. Here under station number, for each of your stations you can have pin pads plugged into them, so each of the device IDs and COM ports can be different on each station. For this demonstration we only have one station set up, and we're using TSYS for our processing. Therefore we can leave TSYS as the option here, and all that does is it fills in the secure device ID for you. If you are using any other processing that's not listed here, you'll need to click Other and insert the secure device ID for the processor that you're using. And to find that secure device ID, you'd go over to DataCap's website, which I have open on the screen here for you now. We prefer to use VX805 pin pads, so we'll go into that pin pad on DataCap's website. And down at the bottom is a list of the secure device IDs. So as you can see for TSYS, it's EMV VX805 TSYS. So we'll take EMV VX805 TSYS, go back to our back office, and we can put that in here for credit card and for gift. Now 805s, when you install them, usually default to COM port 9. This may or may not be true for your installation. You'll have to go into Device Manager and check the COM port of your credit card machine. Everything else down here is optional, and once you've put your merchant ID into this box, you're ready to do processing. All you have to do is start your credit card module. In the next video, we'll go over setting up the pin pad as well as the software required to run the pin pad.